what's up, it's your girl Sana, welcome to the channel. So today's video is going to be a hair tutorial. Well, it's going to be my wash routine. I'm going to show you guys what I do to wash my hair. I'm going to just condition my hair, I'm not going to shampoo. Normally I only condition. Comment down below if you shampoo and conditioner or just shampoo and condition or just condition. So I use the Wen cleansing conditioner. I was going to say flavor. The scent is pomegranate. And yeah. This is what it looks like. I will read the directions for it just because, yeah. It says rinse hair thoroughly. Rinse
hair thoroughly. Apply Wen into the palm and rub together. Use 6 to 10 pumps for short hair, 10 to 16 pumps for medium length hair, and 16 to 20 pumps for longer hair. If your hair is longer/thicker, you may need to increase the amount of pumps.
So yeah. And the brush I'm going to use 2 brushes. For now, I'm only going to use 2. I may use more than 2, but yeah. Okay. That's disgusting. Sorry. If you guys hear that noise, that's my brother. He's in the corner of the bathroom eating meat thin. Yeah, really random, but he is. So I'm going to be using these 2 brushes. I actually don't know what the name of this brush is, but it's a really good detangling brush. Yeah, that's the brush. I know, I'm sorry. Don't mind the hair, okay? This is the other brush. It's a Conair brush. If you wanted to know what brand it is, it's Conair. It's a really good detangling brush. Sometimes I use both of them, or sometimes I just use the Conair. The difference between these 2 brushes is the Conair, the bristles are more spread out, I believe. And this pouch, I actually sewed this, but that's besides the point. I just put scrunchies in here for when I do my hair. But yeah, so I just have a whole bunch of scrunchies in here. A whole bunch. Alright, and yeah, so let's start the video. Let's get into this. Okay, sorry, I'm being super awkward. So I'm going to use the Wen, but I have to do something really fast. Oh. I have 2. Well, I do have 2. This one it's open, but I use that one more. So I'm just going to use that one and put that one to the side. But yeah. It has some stuff there, but that's what it looks like. Okay. Now I'm going to move that out of the way. I almost hit the camera. And I did kind of big pumps. So yeah, let's just. So I'm gonna start from there, and then I'm just gonna pat it into my hair. Well, not big pumps, because I have medium length hair. I don't have short hair, I have medium length hair. So I'm gonna do 10 to 16 pumps. And my hair is not really thick. It's not, I have thin hair. But yeah. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just going to distribute this. I'm going to try to distribute this evenly throughout my hair. And my hair doesn't come out that much, but it does tend to come out sometimes. That's probably like, I may do a little bit more pumps, but for now, this is like, I think this is good enough for now because I don't always put like 10 to 16 pumps in my hair, even though I do have the medium length hair. And you should, well, that's what they say, but they don't say you don't have to exactly put that much. It says 10 to 16, so you can do in the middle, or less than 10, whichever one you decide. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. And I'm gonna just do a tiny bit more, but for my scalp. And if it looks like my eyes are watering, that's because pomegranate, the scent, it's super strong. The pomegranate scent is really strong. So that's why my eyes are watering. And then I'm going to go in with my Conair brush. And I'm going to just brush my hair back. And yeah. This also makes your hair really smooth. If you brush your hair with the Conair, it's so smooth. And it's the best. One of the best brushes I have for smoothing my hair. Alright, I'll get back to you guys when I'm ready to wash wash all this conditioner out, and when my hair is all brushed out, guys. So I just finished washing my hair out. I just washed all that soap out, and there may be still like some soap in. Well, my hair's just shiny too, so yeah, that's why. So now I'm gonna just take my towel, and I'm gonna flip my hair down, and I'm gonna get a little bit more water so this is easier. And I use cold water because that's good for your hair. So cold water is good for your hair, so I use cold water. And then I'm just gonna dab the sides, like the ends a little bit, because it drips from the ends. So yeah. All right, that's enough. Don't need the towel anymore. Okay, and then I'm gonna take my scrunchie pouch. It's breaking. I need to sew it again. But yeah, let's just go like this. That was my brother again. Okay. Okay. And my hair is dripping. So I'm gonna dry that off. And then I'm gonna, sorry, I know it looks like I'm brushing my hair really rough, but I'm not brushing it as rough as it looks on camera. I'm actually not that rough with my hair. That noise is the tangles coming out of my hair. Okay, so, okay, sorry, I'm being super weird. That was my hair. Okay, but yeah, so this is what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna do a braid. I always turn when I braid, so I can like flip my hands, and hair is getting caught up. Comment down below if you guys want me to see me try to make hair dye out of hair chalk. I think that's something I'm gonna do though. And that's something I've been wanting to do for a while now. So yeah. I'll come back to you guys when the next braid is finito. Okay guys, so I finished with my hair. I did the 2 braids, and I put little scrunchies, the little decorative scrunchies at the end. One is gray, the other one is like a brown. It's real cute. The hair, it's okay. It's not the best. But yeah guys, that concludes today's video. Also you guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you're notified every time I make a new video.